just how quickly we're seeing this market get worse. It was the worst day for Wall Street since 1987. In leadership or offered policies and techniques that are good for the environment. This is something we see a lot from BlackRock. They say that gun makers should do more to protect American lives, which seems like a step in the right direction. So these businesses are all about making things safer, but so far, working with authoritarian states hasn't helped. We were given BlackRock money without knowing it, and we have self-imposed orders to help lower that over time. Putting out its numbers this morning. About 1.2% of shares are down. But assumptions are what it's all about. Near that business, but it looks like it's getting bigger. Are you interested in making money without doing anything by selling automatically on Bybit? I'd like to share something interesting with you that's free. You don't even have to sit in front of your computer all day to follow my trades. Just click on the link below. You can also see how much money I make every month from trading by clicking the link in the description. Making money at your own pace is what it's all about. Look it over. The Federal Reserve soon bought XRP at a very high price. If you own XRP tokens or are interested in XRP, you need to read this. What new XRP news is there, and how does it affect the price of XRP? In today's video, I'll answer these questions and also tell you about all the new information about XRP's price increases. I'll also talk about how there's still a good chance you could make $1 million with it. I spent a lot of time researching this movie, so please watch it all the way through so you don't miss any details that could make the price go up. The price of XRP is $0.65, and it trades for $2.6 billion every 24 hours. In the last day, the price of XRP went up by 4.7%. In the last week, it went up by 10.3%. Out of the 100 billion XRP coins that were made, 48 billion are now in use. Please keep in mind that some prices may have changed since you last watched this video. Putting money into the cryptocurrency market is risky. Before you put money into something, please do your own study. This information is not meant to be business advice. You can buy or sell XRP on some of the busiest trading sites, such as Coin, eToro, and GateHub. Okay, enough with the waiting. Let's watch the movie right away. At this point, XRP could go up because the SEC is still not sure what will happen. Even though XRP's value is still changing along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, the current lawsuit against Ripple by the Securities and Exchange Commission makes the digital asset stand out. XRP has gone up in value in the past, in part because of legal issues. However, experts are now focusing on the token's historical relationship with Bitcoin, which they think is an important thing to keep an eye on for a possible breakthrough. In particular, on November 10th, Crypto Insight UK, a cryptocurrency expert, made a strong case for XRP's possible breakthrough by showing how its price has historically lagged behind Bitcoin's. Crypto Insight says in a tweet that there is a pattern whereby XRP breaks gradually happen at the same time as Bitcoin's big swings. This pattern is used to identify important events. Based on extrapolating the trends, the first breakout took 22 days and the second pump cut the time down to 13 days. The 15th of November could be the day that XRP breaks out and a big turning point happens. Adding the 4-hour time frame makes the study even more difficult. By showing that XRP has had time to calm down, which makes people worry about the chance of a positive reversal coming soon. Even though the scientific analysis paints an exciting picture of what could happen with Ripple versus SEC, there is still a need to be careful. There are too many rules to follow, especially since the SEC and blockchain company cases are about to end. It's important to note that after Ripple beat the SEC in court, both sides gave the judge their experts' reports and agreed on a 90-day plan for settlement talks. After the judge said that retail XRP sales weren't securities sales, Finbold reports that Ripple agreed to the SEC's suggested timeline for discovery related to remedies, but only for the time before the lawsuit. The regulator suggested a 90-day period, which began with the court's scheduling order. The SEC plans to show evidence after the complaint has been filed to support its financial and injunctive claims. Ripple can object if they are allowed to. Since the judge decided that selling XRP to institutional investors instead of regular consumers was the same as selling securities, Ripple would want the court to extend the time frame for discovery. The only thing that is still open after the case is over is how much Ripple needs to pay in damages. Let's not waste any more time and watch the rest of the video right away so you don't miss anything. XRP works within the rules of the current banking system. It's possible that the US Federal Reserve could buy XRP and the Ripple network, which would make XRP a virtual USD. They might be able to take over the network, but they will never be able to control XRP or the XRP record because those belong to everyone and are therefore public property. Is it possible for the Federal Reserve to sell XRP? Ripple also move forward? Scott Monet, head of Capital, came up with the idea for the Federal Reserve a few days ago to get all of the XRP tokens back from the XRP army. The idea that would make money again said that XRP would be worth between $10,000 and $30,000. This would be the stuff of dreams for many. This letter was sent to the XRP troops on August 21, 2023. It said that your buyer is not a normal individual investor and that they would yell 5, 10, or even 100 at you in return. Your client will definitely agree that the Federal Reserve is the most important organization in the history of the world. Jimmy Valley tweeted not long ago that he was on a private jet and that everything was over. Good morning, everyone. Is he saying that the deal to buy back XRP has been made, and the fee will be used to help the world's 7.5 billion people? XRP needs to be able to grow. Does this mean that everyone on Earth was meant to use it and that it was meant to be a backup currency for the whole world? Sure. Then the fact that 100 billion XRP were made at the start can be explained by the fact that XRP can grow. Because XRP can never be made again, and a lot of it has already been lost or killed. XRP causes prices to fall. There are 100 billion XRP. If each coin is worth $10,000, then $1 quadrillion would be worth it, which is more than enough to pay off the world's $22.40 trillion debt. XRP will be the world's reserve currency, and it can be used to settle debts without causing fiat currencies to go into failure. The debt problem will be fixed so that retail prices don't go up. The US government and a lot of other countries could buy XRP for very little money. XRP can also be bought in large amounts at a fair price by large financial institutions. This only says that XRP will be used as a reserve currency once all the agreements and laws in the system are in place. The price of XRP is going up because more people want and need it. The government can pay its debts since there are no longer any events that produce USD or charge fees. This is the reason why the US government, the IRS, and the big banks are so interested in XRP. It's possible that the buyback is happening so close to the end of the SEC case. A lot of people in the community and at higher levels of XRP think it will happen, and they're offering $10,000 to $37,000 as a bait price. What do you think about this? Do you think that a deal has been made with the US government? Leave a comment below telling me what you think. We would like to clarify that we do not ask you to invest in any firm, nor is this a channel designed to give financial advice. This is just a way to get learning materials sent right to your door.